my hair blends in with the background. Guess I won't be able to use this background for a while. Hey guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. If you're coming over from the BoxyCharm video, hello, welcome back. Thank you guys for all the compliments on my hair. I am seriously in love with it. I am just like so happy about it. Also, you guys, I'm gonna be at IMATS this weekend in New York City at the SUBDUE Beauty booth. So if you are there, please come say hi to me and let's take a picture together. So today's video, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, the look I was wearing in the BoxyCharm video. So I figured why not recreate it, and then maybe you guys can do it as well if you get this palette. So I'm not going to talk too much else about it. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. There's lipstick all over my teeth. Alright, so to start off the look, I'm using this Makeup Geek Full Spectrum pencil in the shade Spice. The reason I'm using this is because I got this in a BoxyCharm box last year, the year before. I figured you guys might have this as well. Alright, so I am drawing this in the crease and the outer V of my eye. And then I'm going to be working that in and blending that out as soon as possible while it's still a little bit wet and it hasn't set down yet. Now, the reason I'm using a base is because I think all shadows are more pigmented when it has a base underneath of it. Alright, so now I'm going into the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, and I am taking the shade Go With The Flow, and it's a really pretty peachy transition shade. And I'm taking that on a fluffy Morphe brush. I believe this is the M441 brush. So I'm just kind of using that in windshield wiper motions in the upper crease area. So now I'm going to the shade Labyrinth on a Sigma E36 brush, I think. And I'm working this into the crease, and then I'm going to be building that up in the outer V of my eye. And of course, picking up the previous brush just to go over the edges and make sure it is seamlessly blended. Next, I'm taking the shade Blank Canvas, and I'm taking it on one of the brushes that we got in last month's box. The name escapes me currently, but I am just building that up in the outer V of my eye. And then I'm going to pick up the Sigma E36 and make sure that is, of course, nice and blended out. Next, I'm taking the shade Silk Street. I'm just placing this in the outer V of my eye, and yeah, just add a little bit of depth. Now I'm taking the shade Opulent, which is the bright pink pop in the center, and I'm using this on my finger and placing this in the center of my lid. This shade is so pretty and so pigmented. Then I'm just taking the shade Peace of Mind, and I'm placing this in the outer third of my eye to transition the pink to the darker color. Then I'm taking the shade Rayon, which this is totally like a duochrome peachy blue color, and I'm placing this on the inner third of my eye. Now, lower lash line, I'm taking the Kat Von D pencil in Swoon, placing this in my waterline and along my lower lash line. Then I'm smudging this out. And then I'm going to take the shades I used above the eye. So I'm taking Labyrinth and kind of just smoking that out. Then I am taking, what color is this? Blank Canvas, and darkening up the lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a really light colored eye pencil, placing that in the inner corner. And then over top I'm adding Subdue, which is a lavender, which I thought was a nice pop of color in the inner corner. And then adding more of that pink to the lower lash line. Popped on these lashes from IENVYBYKISS. I will leave the lash number down below. Alright, so this is the finished look. I did change up the lips a little bit. It's like a shade different. I didn't feel like going to get the lipstick out of my purse, so I just switched it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!